Hi everyone, this is Debalina and welcome to your 7-day meditation challenge. Now before we begin, I want to appreciate you for one thing, that you showed up. You said yes to your inner world and you said yes to the healing, to the clarity, to the calmness. And that decision itself is powerful. This challenge is simple. 7 days, 7 guided sessions, and each one is designed to shift one layer of your mind with your emotions. Now let me give you a clear idea of what you will learn in the 7 days. Day 1 will be on focusing mainly on relaxation and stress release. Day 2 will be on energy recharge and breath awareness. Day 3 will be on emotional balance and letting go. Day 4, focus and clarity. Day 5, gratitude. Day 6, abundance mindset. Day 7, future vision and goal setting. Don't you think it's interesting? Now, every video will start with a short explanation of that specific topic, followed by a guided meditation. Now, let me explain what exactly happens inside your brain and mind when you meditate on a regular basis. Not in a spiritual way, but in a scientific, neurological way. Most people think that meditation is about just relaxing. But let me tell you that relaxation is just a part of meditation. The real change happens inside your brain. When you meditate, your brain waves slow down. You move from beta, the state of stress and overthinking, to alpha and theta, that is higher brainwave state to lower brainwave state. This alpha and theta are the states of calmness, creativity, clarity, and deep emotional healing. And in the states, your nervous system releases tension. Your emotional brain cools down. Your subconscious becomes open and flexible. This is why meditation feels like a reset button. Next, your stress hormone begins to drop. Meditation naturally reduces cortisol. Lower cortisol means better sleep, better digestion, less anxiety, and clearer thinking. Even the Harvard MRI studies also show something even more interesting. The amygdala, which is your fear and worry center, it becomes less reactive when you meditate on a regular basis. You stop panicking about small things and you stop overreacting. Your emotional resilience increases because of that amygdala, it's in control. Another change happens in the prefrontal cortex of your brain. This is the part of your brain that is responsible for focus, decision-making, discipline, and self-control. Meditation strengthens this area, which is why you start feeling more grounded and more capable. Meditation also shifts your body from fight or flight mode to rest and heal mode. Your heart rate stabilizes. Your breathing deepens and your body repairs itself. And most importantly, emotional release becomes easier. Now finally, meditation opens the learning window of your subconscious mind. This is why gratitude becomes natural, letting go becomes more easier, and abundance thinking starts to grow. This is why your old emotional patterns begin to lose its power. Now, in this next 7 days, you will begin to feel these changes. For some people, it happens quickly, but for others, it may take some time. It happens slowly, but it always happens. And by the end of this challenge, you may notice you're feeling more lighter, more calm, more clear, less reactive, and a little more hopeful. You may also sleep better. You may feel more balanced. You may feel more connected with yourself. And even if you commit just for a few minutes every single day, these changes will happen inside your body. So, take a deep breath and prepare yourself for this journey. For the next 7 days, show up yourself, sit with yourself, and just allow your body and mind to reset. And as I always mention, keep smiling. And believe me, I'm very happy that you're here. So let's begin the challenge together. Let's start with relaxation and releasing the stress. See you in the day 1 of the meditation.